Can Terra Classic USTC Stablecoin ever reclaim $1? That is the question. Could this happen in the future? Let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, USTC shot up to 57% shortly after a Terra developer, I'll highlight this right now, published a proposal calling for the community to work on bringing the former stablecoin back to its $1 peg and keep it there, right? But check this out, back from the dead, the Terra Classic community is hoping its failed stablecoin will make a comeback. All right, so it's been a lot of development here, been a lot of community pushing here. Now, the Terra developer published a Medium article or Medium post yesterday, making the case that Terra Classic community, or lunatics, as they style themselves as, should aim to push the ecosystem original stablecoin, Terra Classic USTC, back to $1. All right. The post caused USTC to soar to a little more than 57% on Binance, the exchange with the most liquidity for the token, from this price to that price that you see. Now, the token then proceeded to drop 12% and is trading at these levels right there. I'll highlight that at the time of actually reading this. And then per CoinGecko data, USTC is up 592% since its bottom at that price on June 18th. Now, if I go over here and just go right there, I want to read this here. The stablecoin, formerly known as UST, used to Terra flagship product, the algorithm allows users to mint 1 UST, burning $1 worth of Luna. Very interesting. Terra native governance token and balancing mechanism for UST, and vice versa. The mechanism helped turn both Luna and UST into two crypto's biggest tokens by market capitalization during the 2021 bull run. However, negative feedback looped the stablecoin broke its peg in early May, and investors lost a lot of confidence in it. UST and Luna and the rest of the Terra ecosystem collapsed, directly wiping out more than 40 billion of value from the crypto market in a matter of days. So, with the community, with this lunatic community of Terra Luna Classic, could it ever get back to $1? We're gonna have to wait and see if it can do it. Back from the dead, up into $1. Let's see what happens in the future. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.